Hey, what's up, Bob here, and have I got a deal for you? Maybe. So have you seen out there, I'm sure you have, LED front turn signals and rear turn signals? The front ones are your running lights and the turn signals. The rear ones are your turn signal only. And I've been looking at certain places that have some really high quality ones, but they're 90 bucks just for the front or the rear, and then I gotta still pay for the lenses on top of that, the clear or the smoked. So I was out surfing around the other day at the old Amazon and came across Quasco, front and rear and 4 lenses for the price of $33. That's right, $33. So it's Amazon Prime, so if they don't look good, I can send them back, no charge, right? So look what you get though for $33. You're getting 2 of the 1156s, and if you notice, they're blacked out. You get 2 of the 1157s for the front, your running lamp / turn signals. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, count them, 4 lenses. You get 4 ballast resistors in case you have an older bike where you're putting on LEDs and you may end up with some hyper flash. You get all of this stuff for 33 bucks. So what we're going to do is put them on one side, fire the bike up, let you kind of take a look and see what you think. I'm thinking for 33 bucks, can't go wrong unless they're not bright or they don't work, right? And in that case, I just send them back to the Amazon thing. So let me go ahead and get these installed, and then we're going to let you make the determination, brighter or not, worth the money or not. Here we go. Alrighty then, so I've got the camera set at an angle, so it's the same angle as the bike with the lens centered right here, so we can get a true look of how this looks from side to side. So of course this is the new one, this is the old one. The new one's going to be flashing red, which is legal of course. This one's going to be the original. So here we go. First we'll do a turn signal test. There's that one versus that one. Now we'll do the flashers. So what are you thinking? Alrighty, so we've got the new one in over here. This is the stock. Let's turn it on and see what she looks like. I don't know, what do you think? I'm thinking that white LED looks a lot brighter, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and put them all in. All right, guys, so what'd you think? I'm thinking they look pretty dang good for probably 20% of the price, if even that, 15% of the price of some of these other big brands. Let's turn them on one more time. Let you take a look at these running lights. I'm telling you, they're looking pretty bright from here. We go around to the back side. Of course, nothing going on here on the back end yet. Let's turn the flashers on. Those babies are pretty dang bright. What do we got going on up here in the front? That main light is so bright you may not be able to tell. They're flashing pretty good. Those definitely do appear to be brighter. Am I crazy? Am I not? I don't know. But leave me a comment down below, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Again, these are Quasco from Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to go follow it and check them out for yourself. But for 33 bucks, heck of a deal. Till next time, this is What's Up Bob saying, See ya.